Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 18 of your EVS book, and the name of that lesson is Earth and its Neighbors. So in this lesson, we are going to talk about the planet on which we live, and that is known as Earth. So now how can we see the other planets other than Earth? We use this instrument which is known as telescope. We use telescope to see the sun, the moon, the stars and the planets. So all these things which are there in the space are known as heavenly bodies. So the sun, the moon, the stars and the planets are called the heavenly bodies. Now let's talk about our solar system. The solar system consists of the sun at the center and all the planets moving around it. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The first one is Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So all these are the 8 planets. The 9th one was Pluto, but now Pluto is no longer considered as a planet because of its small size. Hence, it is known as a dwarf planet now. Okay? And these planets move in their own fixed path known as orbit. So this is the path on which the planet move, and this is known as orbit. So if we talk about Earth, this is Earth's orbit. Okay? I'm going to tell you a shortcut to learn the names of the planets in the correct sequence. My stands for which begins with M, is Mercury, very Venus, educated Earth, Mother M, Mars, just J, Jupiter, served S, Saturn, as U, Uranus, noodles N, Neptune. So noodles ka N se Neptune. So my very educated mother just served us noodles. So this is a shortcut key, short saying through which you can learn the names of all the 8 planets in a sequence. Okay? Now, let's talk about our favorite star, that is Sun. It is actually a star and it is the brightest heavenly body in the space. Space में सबसे brightest है ये. Since it lies in the solar system and it is nearest to the earth, ये अर्थ के सबसे पास है, इसीलिए ये सबसे बड़ा दिखता है. ठीक है, स्टार तो ट्विंकल करते हैं क्योंकि वो बहुत दूर है. दे आर वेरी फार. सन इज वेरी नियर. इट इज फिक्स्ड एट वन प्लेस. इट इज अ ह्यूज बॉल ऑफ हॉट बर्निंग गैसेस. इसमें सारे गैसेस हैं जो कि जल रही हैं, which gives us heat and light. It takes 1 year for Earth to complete 1 round around the sun. So let's find out how. Here, if see, the Earth is here and Earth is moving in the orbit. Say Earth is starting from here and then moving in its own orbit, coming back to the same position. It will take around a year. It will take a year to complete this 1 round. And see, sun is at a fixed position, that is center. So this is how Earth takes a complete year to take a round of sun. Now let's talk about the stars. At night we can see millions of stars in the sky, millions. Some of them are bigger and hotter than the sun. Sun से भी बड़े stars होते हैं, sun से भी गर्म stars होते हैं, but they are very far and that is why they look very small. Now let's talk about our dear planet Earth on which we live. So it is the third planet in the solar system. As you can see in this picture, first, second and third. So Earth is the third planet in the solar system. It is an amazing planet because it is the only planet which has life on it. It is very amazing. Why? Because it is the only planet having life. And because of what? Because it has both air and water to support plants and animals. क्योंकि अर्थ एक ऐसा planet है जहाँ पे पानी और हवा दोनों है. It is not completely round. अब देखो डायग्राम में ये completely round दिख रहा है, right? But कहा जाता है it is not completely round, but slightly flattened at the top. Top से हल्का सा flat है, and also lightly flattened at the bottom. दोनों ही तरफ से थोड़ा थोड़ा flat है. The earth is at the just right distance from the sun. sun से एकदम इतने अच्छे distance पे है कि उतनी गर्मी नहीं है, ना उतना ठंडा है कि यहाँ पे कोई रह ना पाए. Alright? The sun इतनी दूरी पे है that it maintains the temperature where anyone can live. It has both natural and man-made things on it. Earth पर दोनों चीजें हैं. Natural भी, and since men are there, human beings are there on earth, so man-made things are also there. It's neither very hot nor very cold for planets and animals to survive. क्योंकि एकदम right position पे है sun से. That is why ना ज़्यादा ठंडा है ना ज़्यादा गर्म है. Right? Now let's talk about the moon. The moon is the nearest neighbor in the sky. Right? That means moon जो है वो हमारा सबसे पास का neighbor है. It is smaller than Earth in size. Earth से छोटा है. The moon shines in the night, but it does not have the light of its own. रात में चंदा मामा चमकते तो हैं, but they don't have light. उनकी खुद के पास कोई light नहीं है. It reflects the light from the sun. Okay? जो sun की light है जब मून पे पड़ती है तो मून हमें दिखाई देता है. ऑलराइट, इट इज नॉट लाइक मून के पास खुद की लाइट है. सन की लाइट मून पर पड़ती है और तब हमें मून दिखाई देता है. Once in a month we see a fully round moon. मंथ में एक बार हमें फुल्ली मून दिखता है, फुल मून दिखता है, which is also known as पूर्णिमा. हम उसको पूर्णिमा बोलते हैं उस दिन को जिस दिन पूरा चांद दिखता है. Sometimes we cannot see moon at all in the night. और कभी कभी तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिखता है. So that day is called new moon in English and अमावस्या in हिंदी. देखो धीरे धीरे घटता है मून और धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है इसका साइज, just because of the rotation. Right? इतना दिखने के बाद ही गायब हो जाता है. That is new moon और अमावस्या. और फिर धीरे धीरे अगेन यहाँ से बढ़ते बढ़ते फुल मून होता है, which is known as पूर्णिमा. The moon has no air and water on it. मून पे ना ही पानी है ना ही हवा है. Hence no one can live there. And it takes 28 days to complete one circle around the earth. जैसे अर्थ घूम रहा है सन के चारों तरफ, in the same way moon is moving around the earth. उसी तरीके से मून जो है वो अर्थ के चारों तरफ घूम रहा है. अर्थ को सन के अराउंड घूमने में 1 साल लगता है, 1 ईयर लगता है, और मून को अर्थ के चारों तरफ घूमने में 28 डेज लगते हैं. ओके? एंड द पीपल हु गो टू स्पेस आर कॉल्ड एस्ट्रोनॉट्स, एंड इट्स टेक अ लॉट ऑफ करेज एंड हार्ड वर्क टू बिकम एन एस्ट्रोनॉट. I hope there are few kids in my class those who wish to become an astronaut. Okay, so I hope this lesson was very much clear to you all. I hope I made myself clear. Still, if there is any doubt in this lesson, you can comment in the comment box, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.